मतलब without plastic arts not take on any मतलब any many years for 5 days, 2 days, 3 days, 1 year, 1 day.
We, when we take the vegetables, then we store the polythene in which then pick where the not which is where the our field in manure and which are useful for our field in mix into the cow dung which make our field fertilizer. Then why to throw the where to there which are harm our environment?
That's a people's problem to throw plastic everywhere. If a responsible citizen keep plastic on a dustbin and it's burned completely to destroy it, that's not a plastic fault, it's your fault.
Then it is the responsibility to our people and living in our surrounding.
Yes, I'm also saying it's a people's fault, not plastic fault.
But I speak in ourselves. The people throw their polythene here to there, but we suggest that the polythene will not throw here to there and store it and burn it. You speak it burn, but we burn polythene. They also the smoke in which are also smoke our breathing system and lungs.
Yes, I agree with your word, but you think if plastic should be completely banned, then lot of things in the world should be made or completed. You use this mic, it is also made with plastics.
So nowadays, is this where many people are the causes with the many disease which can see there like cancer, which is very dangerous disease for our body, which have no any treatment.
It does not cause from only plastic. You should be washed before the things that are stored in plastic.
Plastic are the biggest problem faced all human beings. Many cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata are polluted by the plastic wasted.
No bro, it's not polluted by plastic waste. It's polluted from the vehicles. Where you search, Delhi polluted from a plastic.
Many soils pollution are caused by the plastic wasted, and you throw the plastic waste field and pollution, and you burn the plastic bag like air pollution, and many people are.
Then why are you burning the plastic? You should keep it at your home and store and use plastic for long time. In modern time, that few things are made for recycling the plastic. You should recycle it. Then why are you burning? It's your fault, not plastic fault.
Plastic are decomposed many hundred years.
So it is a mistake of our people which are not burn. But you say burn. The burn, when we burn the polythene, also the smoke is dangerous. Why you burn?
You should not burn. You should
not burn plastic. What you say?
If you don't burn, you can store plastic for a long time. You reuse plastic. Then why you are throwing outside from field and
we tell the not throwing there to there and collect it and throw there our field which mix into the manure and increase the nutriency and fertility of our field. That it is I say.
Bro, I agree with your word, but plastic should be not completely banned. It should be less used or use less where it should be replaced. But if plastic should be completely banned, many things are in the world.
Yes, we will not ban the polythene completely, but decrease the usage of polythene.
Yes, I also agree with you.
Okay.
Thank you.
A big round of applause for these students who make